Hello everyone.
Hey everybody.
Hello.
Sup?
And welcome to an interesting entry of EB Shorts. And we're going to be talking about Kris.
Today we're going to be talking about alternate swear words. So instead of using a swear word, using something else.
Okay. For example.
So for my swear word, instead of, I'll kind of say HE double hockey sticks. Okay.
Can you slow down once? Okay.
Yeah. HE double hockey sticks. You know, hockey stick, right? So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kris, when do you use it?
Well, basically, if I maybe am kind of confused about something or upset about something, I'll say, "What the HE double hockey sticks?" You know.
Instead of what the hell. Right?
Instead of saying hell, instead of saying HELL, yep, I'll say HE double hockey sticks. Yeah, what the HE double hockey sticks?
Very good.
Yeah.
So some people don't like to use the word hell, right? So they use HE double hockey sticks.
Yes, hockey, because America, hockey. Yeah.
Right.
How about you, Georgie?
So I often use, instead of saying the infamous F word, I must say freaking.
Oh, freaking.
Freaking. Like,
Okay.
for example, oh, that's freaking amazing.
Is that IN apostrophe? Freaking.
Oh, yeah, you could.
Okay.
Freaking, yes. Or this is freaking delicious.
Oh.
Or it could be also in a negative way as well, like
What the frick?
that freaking idiot. Yeah, what the frick, that freaking idiot. Which is instead of a very, very common word that you probably can imagine if you can search for the F word and you can find it.
It's a good TV show.
It is a good TV show, the F word, yeah. On to Jamie.
Of course, for me, you've probably heard me use it before, is flip. As in like flip something.
Flip.
Flip phone.
That's it. And this is, of course, used as an expression of frustration,
Okay.
anger, whatever you like, really. So, for example, if I am running for the train and the train doors beep, 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 boom, in my face, I'll be like, flip. And this is a great expression, just gets all the emotions out. So, give it a try.
Would you say it like if something is flippin' delicious?
I don't usually use it for positives.
Okay.
I don't usually use it for negatives. But sure, if you like, go for it.
Okay, so there's no difference between freaking then in that sense, right?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, they're pretty similar, it seems.
And we also have like those that we replace with God. Like, for example, oh my God, you can say oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Or
oh my gosh.
oh my gosh. My golly.
Anyway.
Anyway. So yes, these are some examples of alternative swear words. If you want to avoid swearing but want to use something like that, give them a try.
Yeah.
And like always, Jamie.
You better like and subscribe.
And
Or you
also,
flipping angry.
Right. And you better hit that bell for notification so that you can see all our videos as soon as they go live. Yeah.
All right. See you later.
You better bring the limit.
Yeah. All right. See you guys later. Bye.